This is a fresh video you're seeing from Tesla's Shanghai port, where you see thousands of Tesla vehicles waiting for ship to arrive so they can be shipped to overseas markets. Basically, we're saying Shanghai was almost paved with Teslas on the ground. Shanghai port, and we were expecting a ship to come, but our friend Wuva, also provided this video and who chronicles Tesla Giga Shanghai, says there was no ship, and one small ship was docked on the dock, and cars of other brands as well were parked on the dock. From this scenario, this batch of Teslas may not be shipped overseas until mid-January or early January actually. Tesla has kicked off 2023 in China by announcing several new promotions that will allow customers to take up to 10,000 yuan off their Model 3 and Model Y purchases recently, friends. The incentives are only for a limited time and are meant to replicate the national subsidy that expired at the end of 2022. According to a post in the early hours of January 1, 2023 on Tesla's official Weibo account, Model 3 and Model Y buyers can receive 6,000 yuan, which is basically like around 1,170 euros or USD dollars, or about 870 USD dollars delivery incentive for any purchase between January 1 and February 8, 2023. Additionally, if the customer purchases insurance from an approved provider, they can receive another 4,000 yuan, which is basically 580 US dollars insurance incentive. So basically, Tesla is offering new promotions, kicking off new incentives to sell more Tesla vehicles in China. Add the two together and customers can receive basically 10,000 yuan, which is $1,450 off their Model 3 and Model Y vehicle purchases, an amount roughly equivalent to China's new energy vehicle NEV subsidy that expired on December 31, 2022. So basically, Tesla replaced those incentives, offering its own incentives to Tesla buyers in China. Unlike some of their other recent promotions, these offers are available on new orders as well as on inventory, demo and test drive vehicles, Drive Tesla Canada reports. Along with these two incentives, Tesla also launches a financial incentive where customers can receive a 3.5% interest rate if they take delivery prior to March 1, 2023. So lots of good things. Tesla is offering its own incentives to kick off more promotions. These new incentives come at a time when Tesla has been seeing record sales in China. In November, Tesla broke the 100,000 delivery mark in China for the first time, delivering 62,493 Model 3 and Model Y cars domestically in China and exporting another 37,798 cars to other markets for a total of 100,291 deliveries in the penultimate month of 2022. That brought Tesla China's delivery numbers in the first 11 months of the year up to 655,069 vehicles, a nearly 63% increase from the 402,231 units that were sold in the same period of 2021. With another strong month in December, Tesla China could account for more than half of Tesla's total annual deliveries in 2023, friends. According to analysts of Wall Street, Tesla is expected to end the year with around 1,325,000 deliveries around the world. If that number is accurate, it will come very close to Tesla's 50% annual growth target. In 2021, Tesla delivered a total of 936,222 vehicles. Tesla should announce its quarter 4 and annual figures on January 2nd, 2023. So if you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news, because as soon as Tesla announces these numbers tomorrow on January 2nd, I will report that in this Torque News channel. God bless you, everyone. Let's keep watching this video, and thank you, Wuba, for sharing these wonderful videos from Tesla Giga Shanghai and Tesla Shanghai port. Look how many interesting Teslas you're seeing on the screen. God bless you, everyone. I'll see you soon in our next report.